Hello and welcome to Trading the Trend on Wednesday, the 29th of March. At the beginning of the month, we went short the Australian dollar versus the New Zealand dollar. And you can see here on the daily financial bet, we basically traded sideways since. And since we went short at 107.86, I'd like to now lower our stop loss level to break even, which makes it a freed trade in the hope that we will eventually fall through the March lows at 106.70 and head down towards our downside target around 105.50. So this trade is still very much on, and we just move our stop loss down to break even. Now, another trade we had on was from last week to go long the British pound versus the Japanese yen. And here we had a stop loss in place at 158.55. It did get breached intraday, but we didn't have a daily close below it. And since for the longer term trades, we use stop losses on a daily closing basis, we wouldn't have been stopped out on this one and are still long our trade with the hope that this will continue to rise, this currency pair, towards 169 yen. So that one was also still valid. And then let's begin by having a look at today's Trading the Trend. And it is to go once again long the Nasdaq 100. We went long the Nasdaq 100 a couple of weeks ago, made about a 600-point profit on this one. And now that we formed a hammer formation on this daily financial bet and overnight are trading above the head of the hammer here, I expect further upside to be seen in the days ahead. So I'd like to go long the Nasdaq 100 at 12,730. with a stop loss at 12,515, just below the low seen yesterday, and an upside target at 13,315.